Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, this is Santos Capitan Jr. wishing you a good day. Now, what I have here is my secondary chilled water pump BMS graphics. So, what I'm planning today is to discuss this chilled water pump secondary. Now, I designed this secondary pump for, I designed the graphics for this BMS of a hotel project. Okay. Now, as you can see here, I'm showing here the primary pumps, then chillers. Okay, as a block diagram. Then I have here my 6 numbers of secondary pumps. Now, as you can see here, I have here one set of secondary pump that supplies chilled water, okay, to a certain area. Then another set of secondary pump that supplies another set of area or another area. Then I have here a small secondary pump that supplies the restaurant area. Okay. Now, so there will be a supply and return line. Okay, so meaning chilled water will be supplied to all the air handling units that requires this chilled water. Okay, so as you can see here, I have the return line and the supply line, and I installed one differential pressure transmitter. Likewise, in this one, I have also my differential pressure transmitter uh, across the return and supply line here also. Now, what is the purpose of this differential pressure transmitter? Now, these secondary pumps are controlled by variable frequency drive. Okay, so based on the differential pressure, then these pumps will vary the speed. Okay, so if I'm having there, I will be having a set point for the differential pressure. So based on that set point, that one will be the one to dictate the speed of the pumps. Okay. So to control the speed of the pump, we are using a differential pressure transmitter. So when you have a high differential pressure there, then that's the time to reduce the speed of the pump. Okay. Now, actually, the control that we are using there is PID control. Okay, proportional plus integral plus derivative control. Okay, so the measured variable is the differential pressure across the supply and return line of the chilled water. Okay, so now we get the water flow proving from the differential pressure switch also installed across the pump. Now the pump, they have the provision for installing the probes of the differential pressure switch. Okay, so what I'm monitoring here is the high zone. High zone, one set is delivering chilled water to the high zone, then another set delivering to the low zone. Okay, high zone is, let's say you divide your hotel, let's say if it is up to 8th floor, maybe your low zone is from basement to 3rd floor, then high zone is 4th floor to the upper roof. Okay, now here also I have here the differential pressure value reading from the restaurant area. Okay, now I have the information, the basic information for each secondary pump. We have there the start stop. Okay, as you can see here, it is starting. Okay, it started. Then run status. Now run status can be taken from the motor control of the secondary pump. Then you can see also there the BFD control signal coming from our DDC. Okay, based on the PID control. Now you can see also the feedback, then the trip status, then the handoff out status. So basically, these are the information that we need to get or we need to display for each secondary pump. Then we have the run hours. Okay. Now, what is the purpose of run hours? Run hours are used for maintenance. Let's say the chief engineer of the project or the site will say, Okay, now I need, if this pump runs around 1,000 hours, then that's the time to do the preventive maintenance for the said pump. So BMS, you can always run, as a BMS engineer, you can always write a small program to raise the maintenance alarm based on the run hours of its secondary pumps. Okay, so basically this is the way, or this is how you are going to prepare your secondary chilled water pumps BMS graphics. But of course, your graphics will always differ for each project that you will handle. Okay, now I hope I have given you an idea how are you going to prepare building management system graphics for secondary pumps for future uh, BMS engineer. And this graphics also will help the maintenance engineer of the project to understand what's going on with the chilled water system secondary pump. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video tutorial. And Santos Capelan Jr. is saying God bless us all and bye for now.